Petersburg, also known as Little Norway, is a beautiful town on Mitkof Island in southeast Alaska. This is a place where you feel safe leaving your door unlocked. The nurse can be your pharmacist, and your lab technician knows how to save your life. It's a community based on trust. The physician, physical therapist, nursing staff, and hospital administration are all a cohesive unit. They trust each other to successfully do their job with the patient's well-being in mind. Rural only limits the procedure the hospital can perform, but they exceed the level of care. All physicians are the ears and eyes of the hospital, with multiple overlapping roles. If you want to learn about confidence and trust, you will find it here in Petersburg.
Visiting Barrow has been an eye-opening experience. Things are drastically different, ranging from the everyday interactions to the housing. The houses are built on stilts so that permafrost doesn't come through the floors. The most noticeable thing about Barrow is the people. In Barrow, everyone knows each other, resulting in a friendly environment and teamwork in the workplace. In the dental clinic, I witnessed teamwork on even the littlest tasks, resulting in efficient completion and a friendly work environment. Another thing I experienced in Barrow was the culture. I had the amazing opportunity to build an antique look, and I got to try muktuk.
Pickled mustard.
Right.
It's good. See? It's like a little chewy, but it reminds me of sushi.
One pitfall about Barrow is the cost of living. Fruit and vegetables are extremely expensive. I found that watermelon costs $28. It was amazing how easily everyone worked together, allowing for better patient care.
Belta, Alaska, the population of 3,500 and the center of the YKAC that is in charge of 50 villages for their health care. My experience while staying in Belta for a week was life challenging for me. Being far away from home, it has made me more independent and respectful to the community. I have learned a lot of things that you must do in order to survive in the rural sites. They are to bond a friendship, trust, and most important, respectful in your surroundings. While job shadowing on the different medical staff, I know that there is a respectful connection between the medical staff and the customer owner. When you have a respectful towards one another, you have a good connection between one another. When you have disrespect, there could be a lot of misunderstanding and argument of who's right and who's wrong. Therefore, respect is the key in Belta, Alaska.
Communication, a single action that can bring people together, but it is also an action that is hard to master. Due to integrated healthcare becoming more dominant, communication is essential. During my time in Sunshine Community Health Center in Talkeetna, I was exposed to all different types. Communication between patients and providers with one another. A kink in this chain can cause frustration for all parties involved, but Sunshine Clinic was able to handle each challenge with ease. The clinical staff can be found in one central room in the heart of the clinic, allowing them to openly collaborate on a given patient. This collaboration enables the staff to treat the patient's mind and body together. The clinicians have been trained to detect when a patient may be experiencing emotional or mental distress during their visit, even if they are silent. Communication is not just about what the ears hear and the mouth speaks, but also what the eyes observe. A wise man once told me, if you listen, the patient will tell you what is wrong.